Just what I needed, extra batteries for my GoPro. Welcome to the review today, you guys. We are doing a quick little review of this triple battery charger for the GoPro Hero 13. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. So this is an aftermarket charger that comes with 2 aftermarket batteries for specifically the GoPro Hero 13, which is the one I have right here. This is USB-C. So you plug it in, USB-C, which is kind of nice. You can see it has a light on the back. I'm going to plug it in here in a second, but let's open it up. So as you can see, this will hold 3 batteries. It comes with 2, and then I also have the battery in here. So we're going to plug this in, put the batteries in, and show you how it works. So when you plug in your USB-C plug to the back of it, this light is going to light up, letting you know that it's ready to charge. So on the front here, you can see now that I have it plugged in. There's no batteries in it right now. Everything is lit up green. Now we're going to go ahead and install one of the batteries that came with this. And you see how it turned red? That battery now needs to be charged. When it's fully charged, it will turn green. Now, this is the GoPro battery that comes with the GoPro. For those of you that are going to ask, will it charge the batteries that come with the GoPro? Yes, it will. And I did already test it. I now have 4 GoPro batteries. I did already test it. It did fully charge my other battery with no issues. So this can be used to charge 3 batteries at a time. And I thought this was cool. You can close it. So you can actually unplug this and use this as the storage for your batteries if you want when you're traveling, which is really nice. I love this. I use my GoPro all the time, so having the extra batteries is really nice. I like that this keeps them all contained. I don't have to worry about them falling out all over the place in a bag or anything like that. They charge pretty quick too. It charges within, I think it was like an hour and a half. I don't know how dead mine was, but it was like an hour or an hour and a half before it was fully charged. So it is a pretty fast charger for the GoPro batteries. If you guys are looking for a great GoPro 13 battery charger and 2 bonus batteries, we recommend this.